Hi, y'all, foodies. Ever open your fridge, spot a lonely cabbage, and wonder what in the world to do with it? Well, today's your lucky day. We're transforming that humble veggie into a superstar dish with some fresh clams and a zesty punch of Asam Jawa. Trust me, this combo is gonna be Clam-Tastic. First up, this mighty cabbage. Don't let it fool you, inside this leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins, like C and K, ready to boost your immune system and keep your bones strong. It's like eating a superhero in vegetable form. We're gonna slice this beauty up. And don't worry if it's not perfect. Remember, this isn't MasterChef, it's more like a master of whatever's in the fridge. Now, the stars of our show, fresh clams. These little guys are loaded with protein and iron, perfect for keeping your muscles strong and your energy levels high. Plus, they're low in fat, so you can slurp away guilt-free. Let's kick things off with some garlic and onion, because no dish is complete without them, right? So, we'll let them boil for a bit. Now, in goes our cabbage. Just look at it, soaking up all that garlicky goodness. It's like a spa day for veggies. And now, the secret weapon, Asam Jawa, or tamarind. This is where the magic happens. The tangy flavor of tamarind not only makes your taste buds do a happy dance, but it also helps with digestion and is packed with antioxidants. So basically, it's delicious and it's doing you a favor. What more could you ask for? We're just gonna stir that in, let it mingle with the cabbage, and pretty soon, your kitchen's gonna smell like a tropical vacation. Who needs a plane ticket when you've got tamarind? Time for our clams to join the party. These babies cook up fast, so keep an eye on them. We want them to open up and soak in all that Asam Jawa goodness. Can you smell that? It's like the ocean and a spice market had a delicious baby. And while these clams are cooking, they're releasing minerals like zinc and selenium that are amazing for your immune system. So basically, you're getting a health boost with every bite. And there you have it, clam with Asam Jawa and cabbage. A dish that's tangy, savory, and so full of flavor, you won't believe how simple it was to make. The clams are tender, the cabbage is perfectly cooked, and that Asam Jawa ties everything together like a culinary bow. Plus, you've got all those health benefits packed into one tasty dish. So next time you see a cabbage looking lonely in your fridge, you know exactly what to do. Alright, time to dig in. Thanks for cooking with me today, and remember, when life gives you clams and cabbage, make something clam-tastic.